Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today the video is gonna be a short video. It's gonna be something that sometimes we need to do it by ourselves just to save some money, because if you hire someone from outside probably it's gonna cost you a lot. So the thing that I got a note from my homeowner association stating that I have some uh, coloring or like kind of mold, and I don't know if it's obvious or not, but you can see these highlights, okay, the color difference, which is kind of a mold buildup. So this kind of work, if you hire someone from outside, it's gonna cost you a lot of money, uh, but I'm trying to save you some money, save myself some. um, the only thing that you're gonna need, it's a ladder. The other thing that you're gonna need, it's your power wash. Also, I'm not advertising for this brand, but this is a power wash. You can get it for cheap from Harbor Freight. uh, I used to have it for almost 5 years now, and for small jobs like your driveway, your siding, detailing your car, to wash your car, it's more than enough, and it's not so costly, so you can get it for cheap, and you can use it different type of jobs. I already start from that end. I'm almost here. You can see the line right there, okay, and the way that I'm doing it vertically, and starting from top all the way to the bottom, so I can wash off all the mold or all the dirt on my way. So let's go and let's do it. So if you notice like how these lines went off, and that's all what you need. If you need help, if you don't feel like you can do it on a ladder by yourself, get a scarf. Maybe you can rent one for cheap, and still cheaper than hiring a contractor. All right, so you guys see the difference. I'm almost finished here. That's the end of the wall. That was the beginning of the wall on the other side. And it's nearly took me about like 2 hours, but it's really worth it. So now after it's all dried out, you can tell how clean it is now. See, couple of hours saved you a couple of $100s. And as always, like if you like this type of videos, if you want to support the channel, please hit the like button, drop a comment if you have any question. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. That's gonna help a lot. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next one.